Hey gang, Spike here, and welcome to our results for the week ending November 20th, 2010 at forexstrategyresults.com, a blog that I set up to teach my children how I make money in the Forex market on a regular basis, a blog where we are featuring a case study where I am working to use a very simple trading strategy which I will use week in and week out to turn a $2,000 trading account into $2,000 weekly cash flow using nothing more than a very conservative strategy where we never risk more than 2% of our account on any given trade, and we stop as soon as we hit 4% profit on our account for the week. So this is results for November 20th, and let's take a look. So if you take a look at the yellow square, the blue line is where the week opened. Again, the green line is the top of our Donchian channel that we use for our breakout strategy, and the red line is the bottom of the Donchian channel that we are using for our breakout strategy. And I just want you to watch the video and get used to how we're trading and get a feel for how we're executing our trading plan. And we will actually be posting a PDF as well as a video with the exact calculations that we use in our trading strategy. We just don't have it out on the site yet. But if you take a look here, the week opened right here where the yellow box is. It moved up and it broke through the Donchian channel. But again, I don't take the first breakout as part of my plan. I wait for a retracement. So we came up, we broke through the top of the Donchian channel, and we got our retracement, but we never resumed momentum to the top. Instead, we had some downward pressure until we actually came down and hit the bottom of the Donchian channel, and we then had our retracement. So now that we've hit the bottom of the channel and we've experienced retracement, we're looking to resume momentum through the bottom of the channel, and we would enter a short trade, which is exactly what happened right here. So we went short at 136,601, and the market moved in our favor and continued to move. And as I stated before, the way the expert advisor set up, as soon as we have our 4% profit for the week, the position is closed. Now in this case, we hit it on our first trade, okay, and we ended up with a profit of $99 on our first trade, going from right here to right there. Okay, now as you know, in my trading plan, as soon as I hit my profit target, which we did here, I stopped trading for the week. So this particular trade, we realized our profit target for the week by the time I woke up for work on Monday morning, and that's because I have these simple rules programmed into an expert advisor that runs as long as the market is open. Now some of you are probably saying, Spike, it looks like you left some money on the table. Yeah, that's fine. You know, my goal is to make a profit, and when I reach my goal, I stop. So even though there was still some money left on the table, I still stopped when I hit my target. Now let's go out and take a look at the entire week. Okay, and you see the yellow bar right over here. So again, we opened up, we went up, hit the top of the channel, but when we got our pullback, we did not get any momentum back up. Instead, we continued to come down. We hit the bottom channel, we had momentum back up, or retracement up, and then momentum back to the downside where we entered our trade, came down till we hit our profit target, and we stopped at our $99 target for the week. Now, if you would have kept going, you would have had some more opportunities for some more trades. If you want to be a little bit more aggressive, you know, you would have been able to get into a short here. You would have been able to get into some long trades right here. There was still some money to be made. But again, our goal was $99 for the week, which is a 4% return on our account. We hit it and we stopped. So with that said, let's recap our results. And here's the results table for November, or the week ending November 20th, 2010. Our total trades, we took one trade, we had one win and 0 losses. So we had 100% of our trades were winners this particular week, and 0% were losses. If we take a look at our average results, we had one trade with a profit of $99. So our average result was $99. Our average loss was 0. If we look at the extreme, same thing because it was one trade. So our extreme win was $99. Our extreme loss was 0. Our goal for the week was $90. And our profit total after all one trade was $99. So again, we hit our goal this week after only one trade. And for those of you who are a little bit more aggressive, maybe you would want to take some more trades. That's up to you. But in this very, very conservative plan, we stop when we hit our profit target. And as you can see, this was our second week in a row we hit our target. And let's talk about our lessons learned. Again, stick to your trading plan, even if it means you miss out on a couple of trades down the road. So as you saw in the charts this week, we had opportunities after this profitable trade. But again, why keep going? In our case, we hit our target. That was our goal, and that's where we stopped. Some of you, may want to revise your plans, make them a little more aggressive. I understand that. I'll do that in the future as well. But for the purposes of this case study, I stop when I hit my target. Make sure your winning trades are large enough to cover your losing trades. Again, our average winning trade was $99 and our average losing trade was 0. But the way that I have the strategy designed, we always risk no more than 2% of our trading account, and our goal for the week is a 4% return on our account. So we always make sure that we let the winners cover the losers. And that's it for lessons learned this week. We only had one trade. But if you have any questions or comments, just go ahead and post them out on the blog at forexstrategyresults.com. I look forward to hearing from you. And as I mentioned in past blog posts, I will be putting together a PDF and a video that shows you exactly how I make all the calculations for this particular strategy. And it will be available on the blog, and it will be available for free. But it's not out there yet. So I hope to hear from you. And until next week, safe trading, everyone.